Welcome back to Global Weapon Update. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile and powerful sniper systems in the world, the Barrett MRAD Mk22. This rifle isn't just a precision instrument, it's the future of long-range marksmanship for military forces. The MRAD, which stands for Multi-Role Adaptive Design, was chosen as the U.S. military's next-generation sniper rifle under the Mk22 designation. What makes it stand out? Let's start with modularity. The Mk22 can be quickly configured to shoot multiple calibers, including .338 Norma Magnum, .300 Norma Magnum, and 7.62 by 51 mm NATO. All of this is possible with a simple barrel and bolt swap, allowing snipers to adapt to mission-specific needs in the field. Its monolithic upper receiver is machined from a single block of aluminum, ensuring durability and rigidity. The folding stock isn't just about portability, it's fully adjustable, giving shooters the perfect fit for ultimate precision. It also folds to the right side, protecting the bolt handle and reducing the rifle's profile during transport. The rifle is equipped with a full-length Picatinny rail and MLOK attachment points, meaning you can customize it with optics, lasers, and bipods without adding unnecessary bulk. And thanks to its match-grade barrel and advanced design, the Mk22 can consistently deliver sub-MOA accuracy well beyond 1,500 meters. But what really sets the MRAD Mk22 apart is its role as a system. It's not just a sniper rifle, it's a platform. Snipers in the U.S. Army, SOCOM, and other elite units now carry one weapon that can fill multiple roles with outstanding performance across each one. That's it for today's breakdown of the Barrett MRAD Mk22. A rifle built for the future, tested by professionals, and trusted by the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Global Weapon Updates, beaming face with smiling eyes.